Break it up, Aiden.
Oh, yeah.
Break it into little pieces.
Break it up.
Yeah. Chickens are like dogs. They eat your leftovers.
No!
They know he has food.
No,
they want his food. Start throwing it, Aiden.
Oh, yeah, man! Oh, yeah!
Then they fight over it.
Hey! Sasha, oh, yes! Run, Lily, run!
Yep, it's a battle. It's really funny when I have a fresh batch of worms, watch them go after it. Oh, she got away. She got to eat hers in peace. There's more around somewhere. Alright, you gonna give me more? Oh, that was it. I thought there was another one still. Yeah, just had to share.
Wait, you're still enjoying.
She's still eating it. Me and black number 1. Who's a pretty bird? You're the pretty bird. Yep. She actually likes the camera, which I find odd. eBay came out with a new way to print shipping labels. They are testing it with a few sellers, and I had to be one of the first ones. I don't like it. But I'm going to show you what it is. I'm sorry, I don't have the screen share capability yet. I'm actually still working that. Actually, since the whole YouTube change, I don't get paid for videos anymore. But I actually still enjoy making the videos. That's why I still make them. So, alright. So, let's get to showing you what the new shipping labels are like. Alright. So, evidently, this is what it's like. You can follow my mouse. This is custom size, which is your own box, or I'm guessing this is the standard flat rate, or the USPS special packages, and it doesn't even, I guess you have to select everything for it to tell you. Yeah, I never use any of those because my items are so awkward, and I've actually discovered it's cheaper if I just use my own. That's why I never use the flat rate boxes. So, alright, my package weight in this particular one is 6 pounds, 9 ounces, and you have to go up one at a time. Yay. My size, and 8. Update for it to tell me the size, and it took me a minute to figure this out because it only gave me the 3 options. It's like it says custom up here. You have to come down here and select show more to figure out which way you're going to be shipping it, instead of having the flat rate stuff all on one side of the screen and your packaging and all the different ways of shipping on the other side. They have it in just one giant list. So you gotta figure out which one you're doing. Yeah, it took me like half an hour to figure that one out. I'm sorry. Yeah, it did. So, alright, yeah, I just had to share that one. And I'm gonna share this real quick, so I gotta stop the screen so I don't share my information or the customer's information. If you really want to, you can go back to the classic, but I'm pretty sure they're still going to keep it at, you might have classic for a little bit, but then you're going to have to come back to do this new way eventually. So I guess just kind of suck it up and deal with it. So, alright, I just had to share. Alright, so after you figured it all out, you can either open the label or you can download it, and it's always up to you. Personally, I just open it and then it'll pop up a new window and you can just print it off from there. Yay. The joys of keeping up with the times. Honestly, this feels like a couple steps back. Alright, just had to share with you. I hope that helps you. Alright guys, so that's all I got for you. I hope that helps, and I hate the fact that my shoulder actually had me out of commission of actually listing for so long. Money's actually a little tight around here, but one of the reasons I kind of like still going to work, one, it's a job, and two, there's a thrift store right next door, and I got a cassette player brand new in the package for $5. It's a quick, easy $60 item. So at least I got that. Otherwise, I wouldn't have gone in unless I was going to work. So you never know. So, all right, don't forget, like, subscribe. Have any comments or questions, leave them down below.